So sunshine with increasing clouds today. We could have a pop-up shower in a few spots this afternoon. 50s near the coast today, low to mid 60s across a lot of the area. The farther south and west you go, closer to 70. Chance of rain goes up a bit this evening as temperatures stay in the mid to upper 50s and low 60s, so temperatures won't fall off too much tonight. Tomorrow, a couple showers possible around daybreak, maybe a thunderstorm. The chance of thunderstorms goes up around 9, 10, 11 o'clock or so. These may be kind of isolated or very widely scattered. Those last until about midday, 1 o'clock or so. And then we watch the cold front from the west to bring in a squall line of storms to the mountains by about noon or 1 o'clock. Those will move into central Virginia after about 3. And this will either be an extremely violent line of storms or at least a few clusters of them. And those will move across the metro between about 3 and 6 o'clock. They should clear our eastern counties by about 8, 9 o'clock or so. And in the meantime, before the storms come in, it'll be windy with gusts over 30 miles an hour and highs in the 70s. Some of those storms late tonight into daybreak tomorrow could be a little strong, especially south of Petersburg. But then tomorrow during the day, we go up to a moderate risk of severe weather. That's level 4 out of 5 for pretty much the entire viewing area. We'll have some heavy rainfall with this, maybe over an inch of rain. Some damaging wind gusts may exceed 70 miles an hour. There's the potential for some large hail, and there's a moderate risk of multiple tornadoes tomorrow. So something you really need to pay attention to. Make sure you stay weather aware. And this is the tornado risk tomorrow. It really doesn't get like this too often during the year. We might have one of these days a year, but some wind over 100 miles an hour will be possible with those tornadoes tomorrow. And they could be long track, which means they stay on the ground for a while. After that front comes through, though, kind of chilly going into Tuesday and Wednesday, especially Wednesday morning, some low to mid 20s. We're then back up to 60 on Thursday, 65 Friday, and around 70 heading into next weekend.